What if a missile is already in the sky, traveling faster than 10 times the speed of sound? And your defense system has only seconds to react? Could you stop it, or would you only watch and wait? This is the exact problem Israel has been preparing for, because today, the threat isn't just missiles. It's faster missiles, smarter missiles, missiles designed to defeat the very systems built to stop them. And that's why Israel is now building something new, something designed specifically with one threat in mind: Iran's advanced ballistic missile arsenal. This is the Arrow 4, and its mission is simple: stop what older defenses may not. For decades, missile defense followed a predictable pattern. A missile launches, radar detects it, computers calculate its path, an interceptor launches and destroys the threat in midair. This worked well against traditional ballistic missiles, because ballistic missiles follow predictable trajectories. They go up, then come down. But modern missiles are different. They don't always follow predictable paths. Some can maneuver, some can change direction mid-flight, some travel faster than ever before, and some are designed specifically to confuse and overwhelm defenses. This changes everything, because missile defense depends on prediction, and prediction becomes harder when the missile itself refuses to be predictable. Iran has spent decades developing one of the largest missile arsenals in the region, not just in numbers, but in capability. Missiles like the Shahab series, Sejil, Khorramshahr, and newer systems designed with greater range, speed, and maneuverability. Some of these missiles can travel over 2,000 kilometers, reaching targets across the Middle East. But range isn't the only concern. Accuracy is improving. Speed is increasing. And some warheads are designed to maneuver during the final phase, making interception far more difficult. This creates a new kind of threat, not impossible to stop, but harder to stop reliably. And when defense fails even once, the consequences can be catastrophic. Israel already has one of the most advanced air defense networks in the world. It uses multiple layers, or canal, each designed for different types of threats. Iron Dome handles short-range rockets. David Sling targets medium-range threats. Des targets medium-range threats. Canal. Arrow 2 intercepts ballistic missiles in the upper atmosphere. Arrow 3 goes even higher, intercepting threats in space. But technology never stops evolving, and neither do missile threats, which is why a new system became necessary. Not to replace the older systems, but to strengthen them, to prepare for the next generation of missile warfare. That system is Arrow 4. Arrow 4 isn't just an upgrade. It's a system designed for future threats that are faster, smarter, and more complex. While older interceptors focus on predictable trajectories, Arrow 4 is designed to deal with maneuvering warheads, targets that can change direction, targets that try to confuse radar, targets designed to survive interception attempts. Arrow 4 improves several key areas: detection, tracking, reaction time, and interception flexibility. It works as part of Israel's layered defense network, sharing information between radar systems, satellites, and interceptors. This allows faster response, better tracking, and higher interception probability. Because in missile defense, speed isn't the only factor. Information is everything. The faster you detect, the faster you decide, the faster you act, the higher your chances of success. Missile warfare has always been a race. Offense develops faster missiles. Defense develops faster interceptors. Offense develops maneuvering warheads. Defense develops smarter tracking systems. Neither side stays ahead forever. Each new technology forces the other side to adapt. Arrow 4 represents the next step in that race. Not because older systems failed, but because future threats demand stronger defenses. Missile defense is not about perfection, It's about probability, increasing the chances of interception, reducing vulnerability, and buying time. Because sometimes seconds decide everything. So can Arrow 4 stop every missile? No defense system can guarantee that, but that's not its purpose. Its purpose is deterrence, to reduce risk, to increase protection, and to prepare for threats that didn't exist before. Because in modern warfare, victory isn't always decided by attack. Sometimes it's decided by whether defense holds. And Arrow 4 may become one of the most important defensive systems in that equation, because the real battle isn't just about missiles. It's about who adapts faster.